While on the topic of Google, let's actually talk about sponsored results. The results that turn up on the right sides of the Google search page have contributed to turning the company into a global behemoth. Now, Google's advertising product, AdWords, is actually extremely user-friendly and accessible, making it the perfect first step for startups looking to advertise online. This week on Toolkit, Prashant Rajkua tells us everything you need to know about AdWords.
With a market share of more than 80%, it would only make sense for startups with limited ad budgets to focus on Google's ad product, AdWords, for a focused and targeted online advertising campaign.
It allows you to measure very clearly what your input is in advertising and what you're getting out of it.
Take the case of Cactus, a two-man startup in 2002, today a company with more than 150 employees, and all their customers are from Southeast Asia. Responsible for their AdWords campaigns is this man, Khuzem Batawala. Khuzem learnt AdWords the hard way, through trial and error, a process that is definitely tedious but today contributes 25% of their clients and customers.
The best part is, you can see the results very quickly. SEO, you do things, it might happen after 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, you don't know. Google, AdWords, you start the campaigns, immediately you see the advertisement coming in. If your landing pages, etc. working fine, good, you can see the leads coming in as soon as within 1 hour.
AdWords is available to anyone with a Google account. The advantage here is that you can narrow your target audience by language, country, and even city. The tricky part is setting the keywords alongside which you want your ads to appear. Google will help you out by suggesting appropriate keywords, and since AdWords is an auction-based product, also suggest bid prices. Now you can try different combinations till you get what you want, but in the end, consistency matters.
There is a system called quality score in AdWords. Quality score based on the cost that you would want to pay for the advertising and also the relevance of the advertising, your ad gets a quality score. And as long as you're consistent, as long as you're there on AdWords, your quality score is maintained. If you stop your campaign, the quality score gets compromised. And when you start up again, all over again, you have to bid much more than what you left at. So be consistent.
Whenever any ad is performing well, you should not touch that. You should not even edit that. Most often people think that okay, I'll edit this particular ad and that's fine. But what Google internally does, this we realized quite late, is they delete the ad and create a new ad. So whatever quality score, etc. that you have acquired for that particular ad is lost. You start from zero.
There are some other things to remember when working with AdWords. Always research your keywords before starting. Don't limit yourself to just a few, and many focused keywords is usually a better idea. Don't run just one ad. Multiple ads per campaign lets Google push the better performing ads. Negative keywords might work for you too. These are keywords that may cause your ad to show but aren't related to your campaign. Always track your activity. Since your ads start immediately and you can start seeing results within hours of going live, keeping a close watch is extremely important. Start small. Don't get into a bidding war and always work within your budgets.
If you have a site that's selling books and it's selling books, textbooks for engineering, and you advertise on the word Shah Rukh Khan, people will click and come to you. But if you don't have any content related to Shah Rukh Khan, they will go away, right? So one of the key things is to figure out whatever words you're advertising on, don't just look for words which have high volumes. All the data on how much volumes and how many searches that's all available there. Look for words that are relevant to your business and more importantly that you have a site for.
Search advertising isn't the only thing that affects a potential customer's decisions. You also have to try and make it on the left side of the Google search results page. But at the end of the day, it's the product that sells, and you know what they say, a good product sells itself.
Google AdWords isn't the only product available, and SEO and social media marketing are equally useful. It's just a really good first step for startups looking for paid promotion programs online.